As of February 2025, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra remains an anticipated release, with various leaks and rumors suggesting its potential features and specifications. Here's a consolidated overview based on the available information. Design and display. Screen. The device is expected to feature a 6.8-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display with a resolution of 1440 by 3120 pixels, offering a 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth visuals. Build. Rumors suggest a robust design with a glass front and back, protected by Corning Gorilla Glass armor, framed by titanium. Performance. Processor. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is speculated to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, ensuring high-speed performance. Memory and storage. Anticipated configurations include 12 GB or 16 GB of RAM, coupled with storage options ranging from 256 GB to 1 TB. Camera system. Rear cameras. A quad camera setup is expected, featuring a 200-megapixel main sensor, complemented by additional lenses for diverse photographic capabilities. Front camera. For selfies, a 12-megapixel front-facing camera is anticipated. Battery and charging. Capacity. The device is rumored to house a 5,000 mAh battery. Charging. Support for 45-watt wired charging is expected, along with wireless and reverse wireless charging capabilities. Operating system. Software. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is likely to run on Android 14 with Samsung's One UI 6.1.1 interface. Price and availability. Expected release. While an official release date hasn't been confirmed, it's anticipated to launch in early 2026. Pricing. In Pakistan, the expected price is around rupees 424,000. Please note that these details are based on leaks and rumors, and official specifications may vary upon the device's release.